In the heart of Bengal, as the sun rises on the first day of Boishakh, the air is thick with anticipation and joy. The arrival of Pohela Boishakh, the Bengali New Year, is a momentous occasion that marks not just the passage of time, but a celebration of life itself, deeply rooted in the culture and traditions of the Bengali people. This festival, which has evolved over centuries, is a vibrant tapestry woven with history, customs, and the spirit of renewal. The origins of Pohela Boishakh can be traced back to the late 16th century during the reign of Mughal Emperor Akbar. In his quest to streamline the empire's administration, Akbar introduced a new calendar system known as the Fasli San, which harmonized the Hijri lunar calendar with the Hindu solar calendar. This innovative reform was not merely an administrative convenience, it was a profound recognition of the agricultural rhythms that governed the lives of his subjects. By aligning the new calendar with the agricultural cycle, Akbar ensured that tax collection coincided with harvest times, making it easier for farmers to fulfill their obligations without the burden of financial strain. This pragmatic approach to governance laid the groundwork for a celebration that would resonate through the ages, transforming the bureaucratic into the celebratory. As the sun rises on Pohela Boishakh, the sound of drums fills the air, echoing through the streets of Dhaka and beyond. People, dressed in their finest traditional attire, step out of their homes with smiles that reflect the warmth of the day. Men don crisp white Punjabis, while women adorn themselves in colorful saris, often embellished with intricate patterns that tell stories of their heritage. The streets come alive with the vibrant hues of flowers, the scent of freshly prepared sweets, and the sounds of laughter and music. This day is not merely a transition from one year to another. It is a collective sigh of relief, a chance to shed the burdens of the past and embrace the possibilities of the future. One of the most significant customs associated with Pohela Boishakh is the practice of traders closing their old account books and opening new ones. This ritual signifies not just a fresh start in business, but also a renewal of relationships with customers and the community. As shopkeepers sweep their stores clean and decorate them with colorful banners, they prepare to welcome patrons with open arms. It is customary for traders to offer sweets, often made from milk and sugar, to their customers, symbolizing the sweetness of new beginnings. This exchange is more than a mere transaction. It is a gesture of goodwill, a way to strengthen bonds and foster a sense of community. The act of sharing sweets becomes a shared experience, a moment that transcends the commercial and touches the heart of human connection. In the bustling marketplaces, the atmosphere is electric. Stalls overflow with an array of goods, from traditional clothing to handcrafted jewelry and artisanal foods. The air is filled with the enticing aroma of panta bhat, a beloved dish of fermented rice served with fried hilsa fish, green chilies, and mustard oil. Families gather around tables, sharing meals that celebrate the abundance of the season. The joy of food is intertwined with the joy of togetherness, as people from all walks of life come together to partake in the festivities. Music and dance are integral to the celebration of Pohela Boishakh. In public squares and along the riverbanks, folk artists perform traditional songs and dances that have been passed down through generations. The rhythmic beats of the dole and the melodious strains of the flute create an atmosphere of exuberance. The performances often tell stories of love, nature, and the struggles of the Bengali people, celebrating their resilience and spirit. Dancers, adorned in bright costumes, move gracefully, embodying the essence of joy and festivity. The sight of families and friends joining in the dance, their laughter mingling with the music, is a testament to the communal spirit that Pohela Boishakh fosters. As the day progresses, fairs spring up in towns and villages, transforming public spaces into vibrant hubs of activity. These fairs are a microcosm of Bengali culture, showcasing handicrafts, local art, and culinary delights. Artisans display their skills, inviting onlookers to witness the creation of beautiful pottery, intricate textiles, and delicate jewelry. The clamor of voices, the laughter of children, and the cheerful banter of vendors create a lively atmosphere that is infectious. People stroll through the stalls, savoring the flavors of street food, from spicy puchka to sweet roshogola. Each bite is a celebration of the rich culinary heritage of Bengal, a reminder of the land's bounty and the creativity of its people. Pohela Boishakh is not just a celebration of the new year. It is a reflection of the shared heritage and values of the Bengali community. It is a day when people come together, regardless of their backgrounds, to celebrate their identity and culture. In Bangladesh, Pohela Boishakh is a public holiday, a day off for the entire nation to partake in the festivities. The government organizes cultural programs, parades, and events that highlight the diversity and richness of Bengali traditions. This collective observance promotes communal harmony, reminding everyone that, despite their differences, they share a common bond as members of the Bengali community. As the sun sets on Pohela Boishakh, the celebrations continue into the night. Lanterns are lit, casting a warm glow over the festivities. Families gather around bonfires, sharing stories and laughter, reflecting on the year gone by and the hopes for the year ahead. The air is filled with a sense of optimism, a belief that the new year will bring prosperity and happiness. Prayers are offered for goodwill and blessings, reinforcing the sense of unity and shared aspirations among the people. In the years that have passed since Akbar's calendar reform, Pohela Boishakh has transformed into a cultural phenomenon that transcends borders. Bengali communities around the world, from Kolkata to London, from New York to Sydney, celebrate this day with the same fervor and joy. It serves as a reminder of their roots and a celebration of their identity, connecting them to their heritage and to each other. The festival has become a symbol of resilience and continuity, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Bengali people. As the echoes of laughter and music fade into the night, the essence of Pohela Boishakh lingers in the hearts of those who celebrate it. It is a day that encapsulates the beauty of new beginnings, the strength of community, and the richness of culture. The stories of the past intertwine with the hopes for the future, creating a narrative that is as vibrant and dynamic as the people who celebrate it. Pohela Boishakh is not just a day on the calendar, it is a celebration of life, love, and the unbreakable bonds that unite the Bengali diaspora, reminding everyone that, no matter where they are, they carry a piece of their culture within them.